is up, friends and family of the YouTube community? KingYao back at y'all with another video. A little master course today on hunger and determination. What is hunger and what is drive and what is determination? And how do you enjoy yourself and have a good time with your life? A little one-on-one on my mindset today, guys. I'm gonna tell y'all what hunger is, what I think hunger is, and what I believe the meaning of hunger is. Hunger is when you want something more out of your life, when you drive for something that's greater out of your life. Like, it don't matter like how you feel. Like today, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I had a shitty ass workout, but I don't give a fuck because I keep making these videos because I'm here to be the best at my craft. You know, I'm here to master my craft. And I just noticed something, guys. Something extraordinary. When I just beat my craft every day, I become fucking great at it. And I can speak on these videos as if I were flowing with the universe. It's like I'm one with the universe. Like I'm one with the force, guys. Like me and Luke Skywalker and Obi-Wan Kenobi and Yoda, we're all one, baby. I'm one with the universe. I fucking love making these fucking videos, guys. You're getting a little master course into my mindset and my mentality. Like, look how beautiful it's today. Look how beautiful things are. See how I'm narrating? See? I'm learning from Elliot Hulse, guys. Elliot Hulse uses his hands for emotions like this. Oh, yeah. See? Look at my smile, guys. I'm being charismatic. And being charismatic is also being hungry. Because hunger comes from within your soul. Comes from within your body. And within your love. And you gotta have love, guys. You gotta have love. You gotta love yourself. And I'm really in love with myself today because let me give you a little story on my hunger, alright? Like I said, I fast a lot, so I don't eat very often. But lately I just been eating ice cream every day. It's my new KingYao diet, guys. A little one-on-one nutrition. Sorry, I already made the nutrition master course. That's coming out soon for y'all. But like I said, hold on, look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful dog, guys. Look at this beautiful dog. Oh my god, that is a gorgeous dog. Wow. Beautiful. See? I just gotta admire beauty, guys. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Gotta love beauty, man. Beauty and hunger and drive and all that shit. You gotta love the fuck what you do, guys. Love the fuck what you do, because when you love the fuck what you do, you lose yourself in the process. And right now, I'm in that fucking process right now. I'm grinding for what's mine. Look at this, guys. 25 kids alive. I don't know what that means. I thought I'd show you. That's so entertaining, right? I'm getting better at my craft. See, these videos, the quality is getting better, right? I'm investing in a little better recording equipment to shoot better vids for y'all, to really show my love and my appreciation and my gratitude and shit. Like I said, look how beautiful nature is, guys. Look at this shit, guys. Look at all this beauty gains, all these fucking beautiful trees and birds flocking. You guys understand what hunger is yet? You still understand hunger? Let me get a little more into my mindset. Hunger is when you love yourself. You make love to yourself, you know? Man, I surprised y'all with that shit, didn't I? Oh man. Like, look, hunger is this. Hunger is beauty, guys. Look, that's hunger. Look how beautiful these roses are, guys. Holy shit. I love my new selfie stick. I'm in love with this new selfie stick. This selfie stick is hunger. It's hunger. Everything is hunger, guys. Hunger is all around us. Look at this. Look at the beautiful roses. See? Look at this beautiful house. Woo-wee! Goddamn, watch KingYao go today. Holy shit, I'm having a good ass time. Look at this. Hunger is this. Look at this family. Oh, look at that. That's precious. They're a little family reunion, a little family gathering. See, I'm including more people in my videos. Something is calling out to me to go over there. Should I go over there, guys? They're having a little birthday celebration. I kind of want to go over there and see what's up. Hello. Let's just go. I'm in the process of making a YouTube video. Would you guys like to be in my YouTube video? I'm alright. No? Okay, alrighty. You guys enjoy your day. Okay, alrighty, thank you. See, I tried. KingYao, at least he tried. He gave his all, you know. At the end of the day, hunger is giving it your all. When you give your all towards everything in life, you are victorious. And hunger is all around us. Hunger is beauty. Hunger is determination. Hunger is drive. Hunger is energy. And look, I'm learning more about life. Look, the kid on this bike. See? Hunger is all around us, guys. Look at all this fucking beauty, guys. Oh, look at the little bird. Oh, man. Look at this tree. That's hunger, too. See? Hunger is all around us, guys. Ah, what a beautiful day, guys. Aren't y'all enjoying yourself? And hunger is also being broke, because I'm broke as shit right now. I spent, let me tell you a little story, guys. Alright? Listen how broke I am. I had $5. Okay, I just don't give a fuck, man. I had $5 today when I woke up. Wait, no, I had $9. I'm sorry. I spent $4.50 on the bus fare because I had to go take a bus to go tanning because I love tanning. And then I spent $5 on ice cream. So now I have like 16 cents in my name. But that's okay because the universe takes care of me, guys. Hunger is me taking care by the universe. Like, you don't have to worry about shit, man. Like, if you got a roof over your head, and you got some food in your belly, you're good, man. Like, oh, I ain't gonna lie, today I was fucking hungry. Oh, wow, look how beautiful that fucking, holy shit, look at that tree, guys. Look at that tree. Look at all them tree gains. Look at all them fucking tree gains, guys. God damn, that shit is beautiful. Admire the beauty. See the tree. Respect it. Respect the fucking tree, guys. Respect it. Alright, that's it. Yep. Look at that big ass oak tree, too. That's a big ass oak tree. That tree's got hundreds of years on, y'all. You ain't got shit on that oak tree. That's beauty right there. Beauty. Hunger is all around us. Look. Look, it says slow down for children. Oh, guys. I see what's going on now. I see that. I'm kind of becoming like Yo Elliott. It's a great gift to have, guys. I fucking love this gift. So I'm here to share a little bit more extraordinary beauty with you. Look at that tree, guys. Look at that beautiful fucking tree. Respect it! Respect it! Respect the fucking tree, guys! Oh, man! I'm having such a good time shooting these videos. See, I learned this shit yesterday from Elliot Hulse. He says, to exude your certainty, you gotta zoom up on the camera and exude your point. I'm learning. Oh, look, I'm learning from myself. So I'm sorry yesterday in my video about what's it called? Eating your shadows. I had a lot of spit around my mouth. So I'm learning. See, look, I'm improving, guys. No more spit. My face is clean. See? Look at them pearly whites, guys. Look at them pearly. Oh no. They're so pearly white. God, hunger is taking care of your teeth, guys. Taking care of your skin. Taking care of your beauty. My teeth is a little bit yellow, but it's okay. Because once I make a fucking ton of money, I'm gonna get them whitened like The Rock. And like Tony Robbins. So I have white teeth and pearly whites forever. What a beautiful day today. I'm just really enjoying myself, guys. I'm really, really enjoying making these fucking videos. I think, like I was saying yesterday, guys, I enjoy making these fucking videos, and the videos getting posted itself. It just takes a fucking while for the videos to post and shit. So, I apologize for the wait. Alright, let's see. What else? What else can we see? Hunger and beauty. Look at that tree, guys. Look how beautiful that tree is. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Except there's no trees, there's no, what do you call it? Leaves on the branches. Because I think it's getting old. Yeah, it might be it's time to pass away. Time to pass away. It's beautiful. Look at these. Look at that tree. That tree has leaves all over it. So that's a young tree right there. That's a youngling. Youngling. That tree is whole ready. Get it, guys? It's whole ready for the summer. I'm sorry guys, my video got cut off again. That's been happening a lot lately. I don't understand what's going on when that happens. But we're gonna keep recording, alright guys? We're gonna show a little bit more insight on what hunger is. Hunger is that stop sign. Cross traffic does not stop. I don't know what the fuck that means, right? Man, you know, when these videos get interrupted, it ruins the flow of things. Come on, universe. I'm one with you and you're one with me, right? So we should, let me get back into the flow. Let me, Oh, look at this, guys. This is beautiful. Look. Watch KingYao go. Ooh, look at that. That's flow. Ugh. Energy, drive. Oh, okay. Now I'm back in the flow. Okay, I'm back. KingYao's back. Alright. Let's see where this video takes us further. I gotta actually delete some videos on my camera because I think I have too much storage. Look at that little squirrel, guys. It's just beautiful. Whoa! Holy shit, guys! Look how beautiful that fucking house is. Black lives matter. Should say every lives matter. All lives matter, guys. All lives matter. Yeah. Look at that Nissan or Toyota or whatever that car is. I don't really know. I don't really give a fuck. I'm just having a good time recording these videos for y'all. Showing y'all a little hunger. Hunger is also running out of breath because I'm pretty out of breath right now. I'm just lucky I don't have to wear my face mask when I shoot these fucking videos. Cause that would be a nuisance. Yo, hunger is looking good. Look how good I look today. God damn, KingYao. Look at his game today. Ooh. Look at my kicks. Respect them gains. Respect it. That's right, respect my gains, baby. Respect them. Cause I work hard for these fucking gains. Look at that little bird. Little birdie bird. I'll show you something cool. So, watch this new feature. I got on my watch this. One second. Alright. So my new, this is awesome, guys. My new what do you call it? My new what the hell is this thing called? A selfie stick. Has a tripod in it. Look at this. So now you guys can, oh well, let me see. See, look. Y'all see me better now? Y'all see me better now? Look at these gains, guys. Look at this backpack. Look at this Ferrari backpack. Yeah, respect it, guys. Respect it, motherfuckers. Respect it. Okay. Time to go on. Oh, look at that cute little doggy. Look at that little doggy. It's a cute little doggy. Hi. You're in my YouTube video. Yeah. Yes. Thank you. See you later. See? Hunger. Gotta have fun. Damn. KingYao's teeth are looking a little bit yellow. Shit. Alright. Gotta whiten my teeth. And no better place to get that done than Planet Fitness. We're gonna go tan in the tanning beds. And shine out them pearly whites. I'm trying to look good. Trying to be whole ready for the summer. Like Chris Jones, my boy Chris Jones says. Yes, sir. Chris Jones. Come on, boy. We're gonna have to do a workout video today, too. Same with the Hosh Twins, guys. Hosh Twins, come on. KingYao is coming for y'all. KingYao is coming for y'all. Okay? Let's see. What the hell is that? Holy fuck. What? Oh my god, guys. I got scared as fuck. I thought it was a human being hanging out the side. It's just a reef. Oh fuck. See, my mind plays tricks on me. God damn. Shit's crazy. Fuck. Man, these videos are getting really good. The quality is fucking phenomenal. Look at this. No, none of that shaking, guys. I don't shake. Shake and bake, shake and bake, shake and bake. Yeah, like I said, KingYao really doesn't have any fears. So we're just showing y'all a little more. KingYao's already thinking about his next meal. Thinking about hunger. Thinking about hunger. Oh, look at that beautiful flag, guys. Look at that beautiful flag. Now respect the flag. Respect the flag. Respect it. Respect it. Look at that tree stump, guys. Respect the tree stump, too. Look at that shit. That shit is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder. Alright, guys. Man. I'm really starting to feel like Yo Elliott, guys. I'm really starting to feel like Yo Elliott. I see now why Yo Elliott is so fucking phenomenal. It's a phenom. Like the Elliott Hulse is my #1 mentor in life. It used to be Tony Robbins, but I think Elliott Hulse is a little bit wiser. But I love Tony Robbins nonetheless. So all depends though. Whoever I get to serve with first, you're my #1. That's how I work, guys. I play favorites. I don't give a fuck. KingYao don't give a fuck. KingYao is here to become the best version of himself through discipline, hunger, drive, determination, energy, focus. Whoo! The whole shebang, shebang, shebang. Whew. I want to make sure this video is still recording. Sometimes I just get into the flow of things and I forget the videos are recording, you know what I'm saying? So, we're almost getting to Planet Fitness. When I get to Planet Fitness, guys, I gotta go tanning, so I apologize. This video is not a little bit longer. But I just hope y'all really enjoy the fucking video. At the end of the day, it's just my advice. Y'all don't have to take it. You don't have to watch my videos. I'm here to beat my craft and be the best version of myself. And to build my hunger through making these videos, beating my craft every day. Y'all see the battles I had over the years. And now, Yo Yao has come out. I like the sound of that. It just sounds good, don't it? Yeah, it's got a little bit of Elliott Hulse in there, a little bit of Tony Robbins, a little bit of Posh Twins, a little bit of LeBron James, a little bit of Kobe Bryant, some Greg Plitt, definitely some DMX in there too. I'm feeling, oh man, I'm so blessed. Like I said, I'm the wealthiest individual on earth. I might have 16 cents in my name today, but at the end of this year, I'm gonna be a millionaire, guys. See, I'm sharing my goal with the world, so now I gotta keep my goal. So I can't go back on my goal. So I gotta become the end of this year, I'll be a millionaire. Next year, I'll be a billionaire, and the year after that, I'll be a trillionaire. So there's some goals for y'all. KingYao shares his goals with the world. See that confidence, guys? That's that swagger. All that fucking hunger, all that determination. Yes, sir. I'm here to make my dreams into a fucking reality. I don't fuck around when it comes to my dreams, guys. There's only one dream. I get one life, one shot, one opportunity. Will you lose it, or will you seize it? That's what Eminem says. I'm here to seize my opportunity. I'm here to make the best of my life and be the best version of myself. So I want to thank y'all for watching this video. I really fucking appreciate it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and holla back here at your boy, KingYao. Out with another day. Love.